the central bank announced that the interest rates in Brazil were going to be cut by 0.5%, zero point 0.5, and that was unexpected because the markets were waiting for a 0.25% cut rate, and that indicates that central bank sees the efforts that the current government is doing, and also the general economic situation of Brazil as favorable. It sees that inflation is starting to get under control. It's not under control yet, but it's starting to get under control. And if things remain the same as they are right now, it foresees the possibility of cutting more and more until the next 2 years.
When we talk about this half percentage point cut, it seems like central bank is really slashing the interest rate, but actually it says also that it's going to keep the rate in a contractionary mode. So if we can, our production team could please put our graphic showing just how high Brazil's policy rate is compared to other countries. It is on par with Colombia's right now at 13.25%. What's the state of inflation? Because it's interesting that at the same time that the central bank is citing a inflation cool-off, we had a very expressive first quarter GDP growth, and sometimes growth is associated with inflation, but not necessarily this time around.
It's still very cautious. It's not too optimistic, as some people might have said in the government, but it's still a positive outcome. And even and inflation in Brazil is within the target, but still on the high end of that target.